Do you ever struggle to find time for the gym? It's a common challenge in our fast-paced world. Between juggling work, family, and social obligations, finding a moment to spare for a workout can feel like trying to squeeze a square peg into a round hole. And let's not forget the stress of the commute. Fighting through traffic, searching for parking, or navigating public transportation just to get to the gym can be a workout in itself. Then there's the inconvenience of gym hours. Maybe your only free time is late at night or in the wee hours of the morning when most gyms are closed. And for some, there's an added layer of discomfort. The intimidation of working out in a public space can be a real barrier to fitness. The fear of judgment, the pressure to keep up, the crowded locker rooms. These can all make the gym feel less like a haven and more like a hurdle. But what if there's a solution that can fit your schedule, your comfort, and your fitness goals? Introducing the convenience and effectiveness of home workouts. Imagine a world where your workout routine is as flexible as you are, where you're free from the constraints of gym hours, commute time, or even the need for fancy equipment. Welcome to the world of home workouts. They are the perfect solution for integrating fitness into your bustling life, giving you the freedom to exercise at your own pace in your own space. Home workouts can align seamlessly with your daily routine. Whether you're a morning person who loves to kickstart the day with a burst of energy, or a night owl who prefers to wind down with some stretching before bed. The beauty of it is that you decide when, where, and how you want to exercise, making it easier to maintain consistency and achieve your fitness goals. And don't worry about needing a home gym or expensive equipment. There's a wide array of bodyweight exercises that utilize your own weight as resistance, allowing you to build strength and endurance without any additional gear. From squats, push-ups, and lunges to planks, burpees, and mountain climbers, there's an endless list of exercises that can be modified to fit your fitness level and goals. What's more, cardio routines can also be easily adapted for home workouts. You don't need a treadmill or a spin bike to get your heart rate up. High-intensity interval training, or HIIT, combines short bursts of intense exercise with periods of rest or lower-intensity exercise. This kind of workout can be done anywhere, anytime, and can burn a lot of calories in a short amount of time. In essence, home workouts offer you the flexibility to tailor your fitness journey to your lifestyle, rather than having to squeeze your life around a rigid gym schedule. They provide an empowering way to take control of your health and well-being on your own terms, in your own space. So next time you find yourself thinking, I don't have time for the gym, remember that your living room, backyard, or even your bedroom can become your personal fitness studio. No more excuses. Your fitness journey can start right at home. Let's dive into some simple and effective home workouts you can start today. First, let's focus on bodyweight exercises, which do not require any equipment. A classic example is the push-up. This compound exercise targets your chest, triceps, and core. To execute a push-up, start in a high plank position. Lower your body until your chest almost touches the floor, then push yourself back up. Remember to keep your body aligned from head to toe. Next, we have squats, a fantastic way to work your legs and glutes. Start by standing tall with your feet hip-width apart. Bend your knees and lower your body as if you were sitting in a chair. Make sure your knees don't go past your toes. Push back up to standing, and that's 1 rep. Lunges are another excellent exercise for toning your legs and glutes. Start in a standing position. Take a step forward with 1 foot and lower your body until your front knee is at a 90-degree angle. Push back up to standing and repeat with the other leg. Now let's get your heart rate up with some cardio routines. Jumping jacks are a timeless classic. Start standing up straight, then jump your feet apart and swing your arms above your head. Jump back to the starting position, and you've completed 1 jumping jack. Burpees are a full-body exercise that combines strength training and cardio. Start in a standing position, drop into a squat, kick your feet back to a plank, lower your chest to the floor, push up into a plank, jump your feet in, then jump into the air with your hands above your head. That's 1 burpee. Each of these exercises can be modified to suit your fitness level. The key is to perform them with correct form and control. Remember, consistency is key in any fitness journey. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting, these workouts can help you maintain a healthy lifestyle right from the comfort of your home. So what are you waiting for? Let's get moving. Beyond physical fitness, let's explore the holistic practice of yoga. This ancient discipline offers a plethora of benefits that extend far beyond the mat. Yoga is a treasure trove of physical rewards, enhancing strength and flexibility in ways that few other workouts can match. It's like a magic elixir for the body, helping to improve posture, increase blood flow, and even boost your immune system. But the gifts of yoga don't stop at the physical. It's a mental sanctuary where relaxation and stress reduction take center stage. Through mindful breathing and focused movements, yoga helps to quiet the mind and soothe the soul. It's like a mini vacation for your brain, offering a chance to unplug from the chaos of the world and recharge your mental batteries. For those looking to dip their toes into this transformative practice, there are countless beginner-friendly poses and sequences available. Remember, yoga is more than just a workout. It's a journey of self-discovery and balance. Let's quickly recap what we've discussed today. We've taken a deep dive into the world of home workouts, a convenient solution for those of us with schedules that are fuller than a Thanksgiving spread. We've explored how simple it can be to incorporate effective exercises into your daily routine, right from the comfort of your own space. No need for fancy equipment or expensive gym memberships, just you and your determination. We also delved into the holistic practice of yoga, a beautiful blend of physical and mental well-being. Yoga is not just about mastering poses, but about finding balance, both on the mat and in life. It's about nurturing your body and mind, enhancing strength, flexibility, relaxation, and stress reduction. So, my friends, let's embrace these practices. It's not about competition, it's about progression. Remember, fitness is not about being better than someone else, it's about being better than you used to be. So start today, start at home.